The OpenMV Portenta Vision Shield unboxing. Here it is in the middle. We've got a camera. We've got two microphones. We've got an Ethernet cable. We've got a debug link. But the cool part is we have the 160 pin connectors on the back. Now these ones connect with our brand new Portenta. And never done this before, and a reminder, the Portenta comes with an antenna. I'm not attaching it right now because it is a little bit of a pain. I might even try Wi-Fi and BLE without the antenna and see what kind of distance we get. We got an I2C port there. We've got a charge port. So this is the thing, and I was thinking, how do you know which way around this goes? And I don't. I can't look at these. I'm sure there is a way to tell. But look at that. That just doesn't look right. So I'm going to flip it around this way. I don't have an SD card at the moment. Don't know if it's... Well, I have one, but... And looking at this, that looks like... Look at it. That just looks right. So now, how much pressure is needed to connect these? I really don't know. So let's just wiggle it around. I've never heard anyone explain how to do it. It's not really feeling that. I'm not hearing a click yet, but it's kind of like how much pressure. Oh, there was a little bit of a click on that side. Let's see if this one, yeah. There we go. Oh, it feels nice and tight. Okay, so what do we have? Now this is on a ribbon. And that might be kind of cool. Oops, out of focus. That might be kind of cool because then you could bend it up, bend it around if it was not exactly the direction you're wanting. However, I was a little surprised to see that on a ribbon. Anyway, let's fire up some code.